lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name's Maya if you've never been here before. I do makeup, lifestyle, college, vlog videos, and today we are doing the ABH palette, the Riviera palette in 4 ways. So day 1, this is what I wore. So we're just going in with the lightest pink shade here. And I'm just taking that on my brush and applying that all over the lid. Although I believe at this point I realized I didn't set down any base, so that's currently what I'm doing. And I am just letting that, blending that in with the Beauty Blender and then going back in with that same color. And this is the shade Estate. So for this day, I just wanted to go with a basic look. This was the first time I was trying out this palette, which there are some really bold colors in here, but I also wanted to see how we could make a soft basic look. So again, just taking the shade Estate and blending that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with the shade Coastline, another pastel pink, peach, and again just using that all over the top of the lid to bring the color up above my crease, and doing the same on the other side. And then I'm going in with the cooler toned pink, Monte Carlo. Again, just deepening up the crease and the other corner. I love a peachy pink look, so this is like my go-to with this palette. You'll see these colors coming back a lot. And now I'm looking for my ColourPop under the eye brush. And I'm just going to take that shade Coastline and just blend it underneath the eye. And now I'm going in with the Glitter Tone Palermo, which is a metallic jewel pink. I'm putting that all over the lid with my finger because it's the best way for them to pick up. And I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara, and of course using my inner corner highlight stick from Thrive Cosmetics. You'll see that a lot, and that will be the finished look. Alright, moving on to day 2, I wanted to try something a little bit more fun and out there. So again, I'm starting this time off with the matte white shade Sails. And I'm applying that all over the lid as a base because I'm going in with not really a skin tone shade. So now I'm taking the shade Cabana, which is this muted kind of yellow shade. And I'm just putting that all over the lid. On both sides. Alright, and now I'm going in with the taupe color Yacht. And I'm just taking that on the brush, which doesn't work the best. You'll see I experiment with it a little bit further down the road here. But it is the lightest brown shade, so I'm using that in the corners and the outer corner and the crease. And now I'm going in with that earlier shade on the last look, the shade Coastline, and blending that underneath the eye on the lower lash line. And then now I'm taking the last metallic shade, Mediterranean. You can see that there, and I'm just putting that on the lid with my finger, of course, because it's the best way that these apply. Alright, and now I'm going back in with that shade Cabana, and I'm just using it to blend out the metallic shade with the rest of the look. And now again, I'm taking that Thrive Cosmetics inner corner highlight, putting that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go with the Hourglass Caution Mascara. And I'm going to put that all over my lashes and also throw it all the way across the table. And then we will have the completed look. Alright, so for day 3, we're just taking that same concealer and laying it down as the base. So on day 3, I actually had a presentation to give. So this is going to be the most business laid back eyeshadow look you can do with this palette. So I'm just going in with that light peach color Estate all over the lid. And then we're going to take the dark brown shade, the matte brown Palm, and I'm using that to go underneath the eyes. I believe I didn't show it, but I also likely used Coastline again in the crease. Now I'm going back in with Palm on a different brush and putting that in the outer corner and into the crease. Again, sorry you can't really see what I'm doing. I was being a little extra precise in this one. And now I'm going in with that Yacht shade from the last look. And I think I'm going to take the back of the Anastasia brush that's a little bit flatter. Yeah. And apply it that way. But I would just say when in doubt, use your finger. It'll blend the best and give you the best pigment. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just putting that all over the lid. I can't really leave a look without adding some kind of shimmer onto it. That's just me. So now I'm just adding that inner corner highlight and finishing it off with the mascara, and then I was good to go. Alright, day 4, the last day. This was my favorite look. I had the most time to get it done, but sorry about the lighting, it's a little red. It was quite early in the morning. So again, going in with my concealer for the base. I've lost my normal eyeshadow primer, so I'm using concealer now. Alright, so of course going in with that light pink color Estate, and just using it as my transition shade. Also, most of the brushes I've been using for this, with the exception of the ColourPop one, are the brush that comes with the palette. I think I used the Tarte one like one time, but I love ABH brushes that come with their palettes, so stick with that. Now we're going in again with the shade Coastline, doing my similar method of putting it all over the lid and up the crease, into the crease. Literally, if you like those two shades, I'd honestly buy the palette. They're so pretty. Now I'm going in with the purple shade Canes and using that in the outer corner and into the crease. It's not the most pigmented purple I've ever used, but again, you can see me going in with that there, but it does the job. And I really like this look because it really combines purple, pinks, and gold. So then I'm going in with the shade Monte Carlo and putting that on like the outer third of the lid to mix the pink and the purple together. And then once those are blended, I am going to also take again that pink shade Monte Carlo and put it underneath the lash line, of course, the lower lash line. For me, that really just completes the look. Alright, so now I'm taking the gold shade of the palette, Inheritance, I believe. Yeah, and I'm just putting that all over the lid. This is such a pretty shade. And then I'm taking those pink colors again and the purple and just blending the gold through with those colors. Like I said earlier, this was my favorite look, perfect for the springtime and the summertime. It actually looks like one of the ABH lipsticks that I have, which was funny. And so now, of course, we're going to grab that Thrive Cosmetics highlight stick. As you can tell, use it a lot. And then again with the Caution Mascara from Hourglass. And that will be the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want me to do something similar, and I'll see you later.